Hello, I am Sivayogi Sivarajan from Coimbatore. Now you are seeing Sarnath. This is the place where Buddha started his first sermon. Now you are seeing. Here is also one banyan tree. Just like in Gaya, in Sarnath also there is one place. Now you can see such structures, moving structures. All around you can see moving structures. This is a banyan tree under which he started his first sermon. After getting enlightened from Gaya, he started first his teaching here.
नमो तस्य भगवतु वरतु सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो तस्य भगवतु वरतु सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। अपने मन में ही नहीं, बस उनका इतना ही पूजा है। नमो तस्य भगवतु वरतु सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स माने इसका अर्थ है कि मैं भगवान बुद्ध को नमस्कार कर रहा हूँ और बुद्धि के शरण में हमको जाना है। उसके बाद की शरण जो नहीं है, बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, धम्मम शरणम गच्छामि, संगम शरणम गच्छामि। बुद्धि के शरण में जाना है, धम्म के शरण में जाना है। धम्म माने सत्य होता है और संग के शरण में, संग जो है चार लोग बैठ गए तो लोग वो संग होता है, तो उसमें से कुछ न कुछ मिलता रहता है। इसीलिए बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, धम्मम शरणम गच्छामि, संगम शरणम गच्छामि। पाणातिपाता ये पंचशील जो है, अगर ये पांच शील का पालन कर लिया जाए तो जो देश में भ्रष्टाचार हो रहा है वो मिट जाएगा। वो पांच शील क्या है? पाणातिपाता, वेदमणि, शिक्षा, पदम, समाज्ञानी। आने किसी प्राणी का हिंसा करना, सताना, ये जो है पाप है, पुण्य नहीं है। दूसरा है अजिन्न दाना, वेदमणि, नहीं चाहिए हमको, ये पाप होता है, पुण्य नहीं होता। दूसरा है काम है, दूसरा वेदमणि।
Now you are seeing a big temple just nearby this place where he started his first sermon. This is a temple. Inside one meditation hall is also there, but due to corona nobody is allowed to enter. Only from outside one can see.
अच्छा, हम कहने पपूया के नाम से पहचाने।
भूख हुई है तो
Now I am going to explain some similarities between Tirumular and Buddha. Buddha is called Bodhi Madhavan. Bodhi Madhavan means he got enlightened. He meditated for a long time under a banyan tree. A banyan tree is called as Bodhi tree. And he got enlightened in Gaya. In the same way, Tirumular meditated under the banyan tree in Tamil Nadu, and it is called Thiruvavardurai. But Tirumular is senior to Buddha. He is 3,000 years before Buddha he appeared, and he gave his lessons as per the Shiva Agamas. But Buddha found out his meditation power, and he got enlightened, and he was called Buddha, and he is also a Bodhi Madhava. Okay, Bodhi Madhava. And his finding is that he says one should get rid of desires. Tirumular also says that one. Get rid of desires even to God. The more you get are desirous, more the problems arise. Less the desire, more peace of mind. This is his advice. So here, from this Buddha Gaya is in Bihar. He traveled to Uttar Pradesh near Kashi. This place is 10 kilometers from Varanasi. Here he stayed and started his sermon. Which you saw he is sitting, and 4 or 5 disciples sitting in front of him. And here he started his sermon, and from there he moved to different parts of the country. And he wrote down his writings. And you are seeing this place. Now there is a park, and I am sitting in this park. Very peaceful, calm place. Due to Corona, only few visitors are there, because all others have to book online. Certain places are there, we have to book online and come. Then only entry will be allowed. So now you have got the darshan of Buddha. There is Sarnath.